Hi, this is Tim following up from Totem Design, and we're talking with Fernando, who is going to tell us about Go Green Construction and their partnership with Totem. Hi, Fernando. How are you doing today?
Hi. Good.
All right. What can you tell me about Go Green Construction?
Go Green, we're a general contractor with a focus on sustainable, ecological, and efficient building. We take pride in our social conscience and TLC with our builds to make them more efficient and be more healthful also for our clients.
Great. All right. Have you guys been keeping busy?
Yeah, we've been keeping very busy. We've been green for a few years. We're not new at it. We have a lot of green experience. We're actually building a LEED Platinum home. We've been able to exceed platinum by 12 to 16 points. It isn't completed yet, slated for completion in October. And we were able to exceed Title 24, the energy efficiency portion of Chapter 6 of Title 24 by 63%. So it's a super efficient home. And a lot of design things were taken into account. Passive lighting, passive air circulation, mitigation of solar gain, and all efficient appliances. So,
all right, cool. What are your biggest challenges working within an environmental ethic?
I think that we don't have challenges working in environmental ethic. I think our challenges are really in educating people that to make these choices, it doesn't cost you any more. You can build green at a comparable cost to standard construction. People seem to think that green costs more, and really green doesn't cost any more. Or if it does, it's very little more, a couple of a percent or a fraction of a percent. The fact that you're building a more sustainable, efficient build, any negligible cost increase there is mitigated by really spending so much less on maintenance, infrastructure, and utilities that it's cheaper to build green. It's not more expensive.
All right, well, that's really good news.
Yeah, it's educating the public. The public needs to understand that green building is less expensive, not more expensive.
What can you tell me about what you're showcasing here today?
We're showcasing here today the fact that Go Green has integrated with Totem Design to be able to give full-service turnkey. The old school way of doing things would a client would find themselves an architect. The architect would design something, then they would send it to an engineer. The engineer would engineer it, and then they would put it out to bid. And often enough, using that type of strategy, the client would wind up having to spend more because things weren't integrated. Now the approach is to have an architect and a builder together with the client and go through the needs and sort out, based on what the client's needs are and client's budget is, what the design and construction should be. So much more integrated approach and much more sensible. It's common sense construction.
And is it able to work out like that every time? Are clients happy to work with a contractor and an architect at the same time?
Absolutely. The thing that I've seen in the past is where an architect will have said, well, I specified that it be done this way, and the contractor says, well, no, you need to do it this way. This is completely avoided. It's an integrated, seamless type of scenario where the architect, the client, and the builder are all on the same page. So it's a much more pleasant experience.
Great. Yeah, it sounds like a great business plan. How long have you guys been working with Go Green Construction using this model?
Go Green was founded 3 years ago, and since its conception, this is what we've been striving to achieve. So
it's the foundations of your mission statement.
Yes, the foundations of the mission statement are as a integrate concept, cost, technology and testing, documentation and fabrication, innovation, implementation, for the wholesomeness of the home and the planet. So, yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for talking to me, Fernando.
My pleasure. Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is Tim with Buildaroo.com, and we're making green easy.